how to use Canva Docs and convert them to presentations in Canva. I'll walk you through the entire process. To get started, head over to the Canva homepage. Click on the Docs tab or simply type Doc into the search bar to begin a new document or open an existing one. You can either start from scratch or use one of Canva's pre-designed templates. From there, add your content, text, visuals, charts, tables, using Canva's intuitive editing tools. The editor is user-friendly and lets you build out a detailed, professional-looking document with ease. Next, it's time to collaborate and finalize your document. Canva allows you to invite team members to work on the doc in real time. They can leave comments, suggest edits, or make changes collaboratively. To keep everything organized, consider using the outline feature. This helps structure your content clearly and makes navigation much smoother, especially for longer documents. Now comes the exciting part, converting your doc into a presentation. Once you're happy with your content, look for the magic switch feature. This tool is available to all Canva users, though some advanced options are reserved for pro accounts. Click on Magic Switch, or you might see an option labeled Convert to Presentation or Turn Docs to Decks. With one click, Canva will automatically transform your document into a set of presentation slides, using your section headings and layout as a guide. Once the slides are generated, you can review and fine-tune them. Rearrange, edit, or customize each slide using Canva's presentation tools to get the exact look and flow you want. When you're ready, you have several options: present directly within Canva, download the presentation as a file, or share it online with others. And that's it. Canva Docs makes it incredibly simple to go from document to presentation in just a few steps. Try it out and see how it can streamline your workflow.